How to repost Facebook profile picture without losing likes and comments. So if you want to repost your Facebook profile picture without losing likes and comments, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, you can go with the top right, which has that three horizontal lines, and then tap on your profile. Now from your profile, if you want to repost your Facebook profile picture, then you need to tap on the profile picture and then tap on choose profile picture. Once you tap on choose, now you can go with photos of you or suggested photos, or you can also go with albums, and from the albums you need to go with the profile picture, and here you will have your profile picture, right? So if you want to repost your profile picture again, then you need to select the profile picture that you would like to repost. For example, I'll go with this one. Now here you need to go with the bottom and then untap the option of share update to your newsfeed, and after that tap on save, and that's it. Your profile picture will be changed or it will be reposted without losing your likes or comments. Or you can also just leave the option which is share your update to newsfeed, which will update your profile picture on your newsfeed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.